In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emoticons in Gmail. This quick and easy guide will help you add a touch of personality to your emails by incorporating fun and expressive emojis. Whether you're communicating with friends or sending something more lighthearted at work, adding emoticons can enhance the way your message is received and understood. Let's start from the beginning. First, you want to open Gmail and start the process of creating an email. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper left corner of your Gmail interface and click on Compose. This will open up a new email draft where you can start writing your message. It's worth noting that using emotes can make your emails feel more personal and friendly, and they're a great way to convey emotions that words alone might not fully capture. Now, once you have your new email window open, take a look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. Among the various tool options, you will find one that looks like a smiley face icon. This is the emoji icon. Clicking on it will open a menu full of emojis, allowing you to pick from a wide array of colourful and expressive options. This is an excellent time to consider the tone of your email and which emoji best matches what you want to convey. After clicking the emoji icon, you'll see a panel with different categories of emojis, ranging from smiley faces to animals, objects, and beyond. You can browse through these categories if you aren't sure which emoji to use. To make things even simpler, you can use the search function to quickly find specific emojis, saving you time. Select the emoji that best fits your message by simply clicking on it, and it will be inserted directly into the body of your email at the position of your cursor. Remember, emojis can add a dash of humor or a touch of warmth, but be mindful of your audience and context. Sometimes less is more. Once you're happy with the emojis you've added, you can continue to compose your email as you normally would. Adding that little extra flair with emoticons can be just what you need to make your message stand out. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to insert emoticons into your Gmail emails, bringing a new level of expressiveness to your digital communication. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that it inspires you to get creative in your messaging. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.